In summer, your heat pump will excel for cooling and humidity control with the correct inputs. You'll mainly use two modes, cool or dry. Cool mode is best for hot days when the room feels too warm and you need to lower the temperature quickly. In this mode, the heat pump works harder, the compressor runs stronger, and the indoor unit blows at higher speeds to cool the air fast. It also removes some humidity, but the main goal is dropping the temperature. Cool mode is the most common mode that your heat pump will be set in all summer long. Dry mode is best for muggy, humid days when the temperature isn't extremely hot, but the air feels sticky and uncomfortable. In dry mode, the fan automatically slows down, allowing air to pass slowly over the cold indoor coil. Slower airflow gives the coil more time to pull moisture out of the air, greatly reducing humidity. The room will feel cooler and more comfortable, even if the actual temperature doesn't drop much. Plus, dry mode often uses less energy since it doesn't cool as aggressively. Using the right mode will keep your home feeling fresh, prevent that clammy feeling, and help your heat pump run more efficiently, saving energy all summer long.